may potentially earn hundreds of dollars every day by following and applying these tips and methods. I'll show you precisely how to make up to $150 multiple times in a matter of minutes. All you have to do is visit this fresh new website and use this new Google tactic, which I will demonstrate in this video. You may potentially earn hundreds of dollars every day by following and applying these tips and methods. I know some of you are coming from all over the globe, so don't be concerned. This opportunity is available globally, and you may get paid in a variety of ways. PayPal, Payoneer, Paytm, Skrill, and bank transfers are all supported on this website. But remember to remain attentive and watch till the end of this video because I will teach you how to obtain a free sign-up bonus when you join. And this will be a completely new website that I haven't seen anybody cover before. I'll also teach you how to configure the most advanced Google settings that will help you earn money more efficiently. If you use this approach, you can earn 3 times as much money as others. So make sure you don't miss out on this one-of-a-kind technique that I'll be teaching you in this video. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on that notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to leave them in the comments below. Now, let's go back to the video. The first thing you need to do if you want to make hundreds of dollars using Google is to access this website called shrinkme.io. Shrinkme.io is a URL shortening service that will pay you up to $220 for 10,000 visits. If you want to check to determine if this website is legitimate and honest, you can by reading all of their customer reviews. They also show proof for their legitimacy by showing you payment proofs to their customers, which you can view on the top right of their website. You'll be able to watch all of the real-time payments they make to their customers. You can see that they make all of their payments on time and use a variety of payment options. You can also check how much they've paid their consumers in real time. What must you do on this website in order to begin earning money? The first step is to establish and register an account. Next, you should start shortening your links and sharing them with others, which I will show you how to do later in this video. The last and most important stage is to earn your money. Now, pay close attention to this video since this will only work if you execute it correctly, which I will teach you immediately. If you wish to create a free account, just go ahead and hover your cursor over the upper right-hand corner. Then you'll see a register button. Simply click on this link and you will be prompted to sign up for a new membership. When you sign up for a free account, you will immediately get $1 for free. This is a sign-up bonus, and after you earn $5, you may begin withdrawing your funds. I'll show you how to generate money right now, beginning today. There are daily payment tricks you can use utilizing my Google trick. This is why I like this website. There are other websites where you may earn money in the same manner, but they pay on a weekly basis. This service will pay out on a daily basis, and they now accept a variety of payment options if you are coming from various places across the globe. You may receive your money via the website, and once again, their terms and conditions apply. The required minimum payment is merely $5. It gets pretty simple. Once you've earned $5, you may begin withdrawing funds using any payment method you like. So here's how it's done. On this page, we will use a strategy of going to YouTube and finding a video of a certain niche. We're going to grab a link to that video and then return to this website. We'll add the link to this bar. This URL will be shortened. After you shorten the URL link, you will share it on many sites and you will earn money every time someone clicks on your link. Let me now show you the extra payment rates you will be receiving. You will earn $22 for every 1,000 views if visitors from Greenland click on your link. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to discover the greatest videos on YouTube because if you find a bad video, you won't get much money. I'll show you how to locate the greatest video, and then we'll use this website to shorten the URL. Once we have a shortened URL, we will head to Google and apply an incredible strategy to double your money and earn a lot of money with this approach, and I can't wait to show you the complete method. Oh, and if you're enjoying this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel below, and don't forget to click the bell to get up-to-date notifications. Now let's return to the video. We're now going to upload our video to YouTube. In this world, the best performing videos I've ever seen are all about weight loss. There are a lot of individuals who desire to learn how to lose weight. As a result, weight loss videos will be popular and they will work best for us. So when you go to YouTube, you'll type in weight loss videos, and then you'll click on the filter options, and then you'll click on this week. This way we'll uncover the top performing video since there's brand new, fresh material as you can see below. Then you'll see the most popular video. Take for example, this one. What you should do next is click on this video, and then on top of that, you'll see the video link. You'll copy this URL after clicking on it. Next, we will go to shrinkme.io. Then we'll put the URL right here on the Shorten tab, and after we've pasted the link, we must click on the Shorten or Shrink button. When you click on the button, they will provide you with a shortened URL. So what you can now is copy this URL for subsequent use. This brings to our next step, looking for weight loss forums. When we use this method, you will enter the phrase weight loss forum into Google and then search for it. You'll find out a lot of different platforms where you may post the link, since individuals who want to lose weight generally hang out, visit numerous forums, have several conversations, and look for more weight loss suggestions in these forums. So you're going to sign up for one of these forums and set up your account. Keep watching to the conclusion of this video because I'll teach you the #1 strategy for getting people from Greenland to click on your link, so you can earn the most amount of money from this website. In a minute, I'll show you precisely how to achieve this. Let's return to the forum. When you visit a forum, you may typically sign up and register for free. If you don't want to use your actual name, I propose that you use a fictitious one. You can do the same thing on many other forums by creating a nickname and then signing up for an account. The more forums you can find, the more links you can share, and the more people will click on your link. But there is one major problem. When you use this method, you can get people from different countries to click on your link, but how can we focus and find more people from Greenland, Ireland, and the United States? This is the secret method that I want to teach you when you run a new Google search so that we can earn more money. Simply go to the settings, and there you'll discover the advanced search. Click on it. Then you'll notice this area, which is the region you wish to filter them through. Greenland, for example. By doing so, you may locate a plethora of Greenland-specific forums. Then you just repeat the process. And this is how you may attract a large number of Greenlanders to click on your link. Unfortunately, the number of forums accessible in Greenland is still fairly restricted. That is why the second thing you can do is return to Google and just go back to the settings, and then over the region, choose any other well-paying nation you want. You may use the same procedure again and again, and you can find several weight reduction tutorials on YouTube. And once again, this is all legal. This is an ethical method to employ, and you will not be penalized or fined for not reposting or re-uploading other people's work. You're instead sharing other people's videos. This is one way to employ the Google technique because you can become very, very focused and specialized in your allocation to earn more money at this rate right here. But as previously said, you may distribute this link in a variety of ways. You may, for example, post this link on YouTube. You may do it in the YouTube comments, or you can do it on Facebook or any other social media channel you have. The more people that click on your link, the more money you'll earn. This is precisely how all of these folks all across the globe make money. People do this every day, and that's all there is to it. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. We hope to meet you guys again in the next video. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.